Barnett HyperGhost 425 Crossbow in Mossy Oak Treestand Camo shoots 425 feet per second and includes premium illuminated 1.5 to 5x32 scope. Lightweight step-through riser with single screw setting up, an anti-dry fire TriggerTech TRIGGR solitary bolt assembly enables very easy as well as fast configuration. Suitable with Barnett Crank Cocking tool. Prepared to hunt package includes 322 Flite arrows, premium 1.5x 5x32 illuminated scope, rogue cocking sled, and Lube WAX chips mostly assembled. Sport kind, outdoors. High-performance HyperGhost 425 compound weapon with complete searching device PACKAG shade, Mossy Oak Original Tree stand specs, shoots 425 feet per second with 152 foot-pounds of kinetic energy. CNC machined aluminum trip track and pre-installed string dampeners make the HyperGhost 425 exact and also exceptionally silent. General weight of 7.7 pounds as well as axle-to-axle width of 17.6. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.